Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Dave from Moonfall Studios, and today I want to do something totally different than I've ever done before. We're going to go over some different colognes. I bought some new ones today that I've never even smelled. Normally I like to teach people things, make videos on things that I know about, impart wisdom. I don't really know much about cologne other than how much it costs, if I like it or not, how long it lasts, that kind of thing. So this is kind of a different video than normal, but it might be fun, so let's just go ahead and get into it. So I used to spend, $70 on a little bottle back in the day. I don't do that anymore. My favorite is the Giorgio Armani Acqua di Gio, and I have 2 empty bottles of that and a fake one. The fake one, I don't remember exactly, I think it's like $10. It smells good. It doesn't last as long, of course, but for $10, it's worth getting. And this one right here. Also, I will try for a little while to pronounce the name. If it takes too long, I just give up because it's not worth it. TJ Maxx. It was $10, and this one smells like it too. I think it lasts pretty long, most of the day. This one's called, it's so dark in here. This one's called Realtree, but, okay. This is a Hollister one. This one, I did get at TJ Maxx. This one was about $15. I said I would try to describe them, and it's good. It's a little bit, indescribable. No, it's good, but I don't wear it often. This one, it's called Ocean. I think this one was probably like $50, and this one was from Bath and Body Works. And that's kind of a dark, peppery, like cool water type. It's good. That one lasts all day. This one is Nautica. I wore this one for a while. This one was less than $20 at TJ Maxx. Okay, I'm not good at describing it, but it smells good. These 3 kind of smell similar to me. Okay. This one is called Obsession Night from Calvin Klein. It doesn't smell bad. I don't like it though. It's kind of too dark smelling. Like smoky sort of, like an old bowling alley. You're getting nothing out of this, I'm sure. I'm sorry. This one's called Black for Men Aquarius. That one's good. It's kind of fruity. It's all right. 2 things worth mentioning. My daughter is hilarious, by the way. I found this one. It's a deodorant, and I just wanted to talk about it. It's from Squatch. It's called Pine Tar. And we were in the store, and I was like, I really like the smell of it, but I smell like a pine tree. And she's like, is it bad to smell like a pine tree? I'm like, you know what? That's a good question. I guess not. So I bought it, and it's real strong for a deodorant. This one right here was $8. It's Old Spice body spray called Wolf Thorn, and this one, to me, smells really good. It's just real citrusy. This one, I love this one. This one lasts all day long, so that matters. If you're expecting it to last all day and it lasts like an hour, we'll say, then it's disappointing, right? I don't know. This one's fruity too. I like it. I don't know how to pronounce that. So I bought a bunch today. There's a store near me called Gabe's, and I've never seen another one before, so you might have one near you or you might not. It's kind of like a sort of like a Garden Ridge / TJ Maxx combo store. It's really big and they have a lot of stuff. But what I like the most about it is that they have $4 colognes. So this one was $4. This is the one I wear all the time. It's called Steel. And it's weird, like I've been wearing this for probably 8 months straight, and every time I put it on, I'm like, ooh, that smells good. I'm like, what does that remind me of? And I can't think of it like at all. I still can't think of what it reminds me of. But for $4, I mean, this bottle will last a long time, and it will linger on you for 3/4 of the day, 3/4 as long as you want it to. But for $4, I'd rather buy that than spend $80 on something, you know. All right, let's get to these last two at the end. These are the ones I bought today, and this one right here is Dark Noir. And I did open 2 of them already to smell. I couldn't wait. I just couldn't wait. Uh-oh, I just broke this one. Oh, crap. This one smells... There's like a thing where like you smell it in the bottle and then you kind of get an opinion on it, but then you wear it all day and you have like a different opinion. It smells like plastic. Did I really just break the bottle? There you go. Ooh. That smells like cleaning supplies. Yeah, we'll come back to that. I mean, yeah. This one's called, these were all $4 right here. This is called Cool Breeze. And it looks blue. I like that. I've determined if it's blue, I normally like it. That's the extent of my expertise on this, right? Cool Breeze. It does smell good. It's real clean. This is what I wore earlier, and it wore off like really fast. But I'm happy to have this one. I'll definitely try it some more. That's gonna be a good one, I think. Okay, this one is it's called Club Ace Ultimate Amber. So they had no samples at the store, probably to make you buy them, and it worked. Because I was just mainly curious about all of them. And I thought, I'm gonna find one I like, but I have to buy all of them to find it, right? That's how it works. It's a frosty bottle. Okay. I shouldn't have sprayed my hand. Now I'm going to smell that the whole time. Ooh. Ooh, what is that? Okay, I got it. You remember clove cigarettes? Like everybody smoked clove cigarettes like a long time ago, back in the day. That smells a lot like clove cigarettes to me. Yeah, I mean, it's not bad. I wouldn't probably want to smell like cloves all day. But again, like I said, you smell it out of the bottle, it reminds you of one thing, and you wear it all day, then it kind of is different sometimes, to me, at least. All right, what is this one called? This one's called Bros. So I'm guessing it's like Boss, like Hugo Boss. That's my guess. A lot of the knockoffs have to like change the name or think of a similar name, and that's probably what this one is. I've never actually owned Hugo Boss before, so I don't know what it smells like. Oh, that one's good. I like that one. That one's like spicy, fruity kind of. I don't know how to describe this. Yes, I will definitely try that one for sure. That one's probably gonna be a good one. Boom. All right, next new one. This one is called, it's from Paragon. It's called Invincible, or yeah. This is a big box. I got almost all the ones they had. They had like a few more. They had like a Playboy VIP one that I didn't get. Oh, that's funky. Oh, look at that. It's like a trophy. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. All right, that's weird. The whole... You think like little top squirts or whatever. The whole top just comes off like that, okay? That's how you do it? Wow. Nope. Nope, that's a no. For me, it smells like a really gross candy. Coconut, that's what it is. Boom. Really gross coconut candy. If you like coconut, you probably like it. But that's the predominant flavor, is coconut. Okay, so that's all the $4 ones right here. These two I got at Target's, and they were like about 20 bucks. This one I wore yesterday. I went to the store and I smelled it, and it smelled really good, and I wore it all day. And that's what I was talking about. Wearing it all day is kind of like, no, I don't like it as much. Not that it's bad. It was actually really good. And it lasted so long that I even smelled it today, the next day. So that's pretty crazy. This one is from a brand called Cremo, and it's called Palo Santo, right here. And it is really good. I would recommend it. But I'm probably not gonna wear it, honestly, much. And then I went back today and got this one, because there was two of them I was looking at the store, and this was the other one. This is also from the same company. This is called Italian Bergamot. And sounds fancy, huh? This one, to me in the store, smelled like CK1 with like added stuff. Like CK1 with added added Italian herbs or something. I don't know. Yeah. It's almost like CK1 with limoncello. Yeah, that's a good one. I like that. I'll be wearing that all the time now. The top got funky. Huh, weird. Yes, I like that one for sure. Here you go. This is what it looks like. I have it at Target's, not sponsored, just saying. So this has been fun. This has been fun. This is just a little something different. Never done it before. I just had these sitting upstairs. Most of them I never use. I just have my couple favorites. Right now, these are my two favorites. And I'll be We're trying these two also. So yeah. I know it's weird like comparing Old Spice to these, but I mean it lasts all day and it's a good price and it smells good, so that's really all that matters, honestly. You could spend any amount on cologne, but if you don't like it, it's not worth it. If it doesn't last long enough, find one that will. Right? Okay, cool. I guess that's it. Thanks for watching. This has been fun. Yep, we will see you next time.